Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So let us reveal the surprise. But first of all, happy 75th Independence Day, and yes, long live Independence Day, right guys? So let's start. Hey everyone, so I hope you all are doing very well and keeping yourself safe at home. And welcome to this very amazing surprise video. So, as some of you might be knowing, that Shubham Mam's birthday is coming up on 25th of September 2021, of course. So we have decided something special and a big opportunity for all of you out there. So on Shubham Mam's birthday, there are going to be 3-4 very beautiful surprise video, and we are giving you the opportunity to convey your message to Shubham Mam, and you can convey your message as beautiful audio clip or video clip, or you can make a beautiful drawing of Shubham Mam. So I don't think you should miss this opportunity. Now let's see what you have to do. There's a link of a Google form in the description of this particular video. You just have to open it. You don't need to enter your email ID. You just have to put your name, and you have to click on add file option, and you're good to go. Then you can just upload any file, any media clip, and you can also share a message in a paragraph form, and this message will be in a beautiful video on 25th of September, and of course Shubham Mam is going to see it. Thank you very much guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys.